Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloomberg for Forex trading. First, navigate to the FXC function to begin your currency analysis. This powerful tool provides real-time quotes, historical data, and various charting options for major and minor currency pairs. You can customize your view to focus on specific timeframes, from intraday movements to long-term trends. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for building a solid foundation in Forex trading on the Bloomberg terminal. Once you're familiar with the basics, dive deeper into analyzing specific currency pairs. Use Bloomberg's charting tools to compare performance and identify potential entry or exit points. Look for patterns like double tops or head and shoulders formations. Additionally, keep a close eye on the economic calendar for major announcements, as these events can cause significant price swings. Understanding these analytical techniques is vital for making informed trading decisions. Bloomberg offers robust tools to help you execute your trading strategies effectively. You can set up custom alerts for specific price levels or breaking news, ensuring you never miss a critical market event. The platform also allows for backtesting your strategies against historical data, providing valuable insights into their potential performance. This feature is incredibly useful for refining your approach and building confidence before committing capital. Remember, practice and thorough testing are key. Effective risk management is paramount in Forex trading. Utilize Bloomberg's order management features to set stop-loss and take-profit levels, protecting your capital and locking in gains. Furthermore, leverage the extensive research and expert analysis available on the terminal to inform your decisions. This wealth of information can provide valuable perspectives on market trends and potential risks. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.